Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your node dependencies. So for example, ESLint version 6.8.0 got released some time ago, but I'm still running 6.7.2. And this applies to several packages in this project. And yes, you can go through all of them one by one and check for updates. Just go into the NPM website and see if there's a new version or something. But there's an npm command that you can run, so it shows you which packages are outdated. Right, as I mentioned before, so I'm running ESLint 6.7.2, but the new version is 6.8.0, right? So fortunately, we don't have to upgrade them one by one. What we could do is there's an npm package that someone wrote, which we can install. So you're going to do npm install -g, npm check updates. -g stands for global, npm check updates is the name of the package. So while that installs, let's take a look at the next command that we're going to run, ncu-u. So not npm check updates, ncu-u stands for update. So let's go back to IntelliJ IDEA, paste this command in, and this is going to change our package versions. So let's look at the changes in here. As you can see, Markdown to JSX got upgraded from 6.10.3 to 6.11, and React got upgraded from 16.12 to 16.13. Right. So, and to be able to, to install the latest updates, you're just going to run npm install. And if for some reason, while installing, if it ever complains about Xcode tools not being found, it's because macOS Catalina has this issue where it just removes the path for Xcode install tools and npm can't find it for some reason. I don't know why that happens, but it tends to happen if you upgrade from 10.15.2 to 10.15.3, let's say. And the solution is really simple. You just have to run these two commands and install Xcode tools again. So just run this first and then run that one first and then try running npm install, and that's going to fix your problem. And there you go. I hope you don't have any issues with the upgraded packages. They tend to be backwards compatible most of the time, but this is how you upgrade your packages, and I hope you found this useful. All right, thanks. Bye.